Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about different methods that we use for the flashlight game. Do they work? What do you use? Leave down in the comments down below. Let's get into the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Darren, and today we're going to get into talking about the flashlight game. So the flashlight game. A lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like it. It's one of those techniques that we like to use during paranormal investigations. Some people have unique ways of doing it. Some are very basic, and some are a little bit more advanced than others. But there's just really, to me, not a wrong way about doing it, except for one way I think is just not the right kind of way. You can judge me all you want, but I really do not like the twist top kind where you twist the top of the flashlight where it's barely off and you start asking questions, and sometimes it might happen. I think it's just a matter of luck. I believe it's a lot of false positives with this technique, with all the electronics inside the flashlight where the components are really like kind of playing with each other inside and making it go off unintentionally. So I think that's the one tactic that I really don't care for. And quite honestly, I was looking for one of those for this video, and I can't find one around. So they might have just all just magically just went away, and people just can't find them. So that's just me. It could be different in your state or your city, wherever you may be. The techniques that I do like to use are the push button kind. I think they're more reliable, and you don't get any false positives unless your flashlights are really busted and you've dropped them a lot of times. Then yeah, then you probably don't have any faith in the flashlights that you have. Now I have 3 different kinds of flashlights in front of me. I have the white light one, and then I have a red and a green one. So now with these flashlights here, we like to use basic questions. You know, are you male or female? How old are you? What's your association with this place? And when we ask these type of questions, we ask it for the flashlight to either blink once or blink twice. Please turn on when we ask you to turn it on. Turn it off when we ask you to turn it off. So generally, I have a small white light flashlight here. So with the white light flashlight, it's kind of more basic range of asking questions, as far as like, okay, what's your association with this place? Can you turn the flashlight on with this question here? Sort of type deal. Just kind of get really basic with it. And that's how I feel about the white one. Now, with the different color coded flashlights, which I have the green one here and my red one here, sorry. So with these type of flashlights, you can really get into advanced questions, more so how intelligent the spirit is, and you know, just really get creative with these questions and be more specific. You know, like I said, if you're male, please turn on the green light. Have you been here so many years? Turn on the red light. You know, just stuff like that, and you can go dive in more deeper into questions and really find out how intelligent this spirit is. And it takes a lot for a spirit to press a button. It depends on how much energy it has. It could go a real long session. It could be a short session. It all just depends on the spirit itself. With these flashlight games here, I like to generally have my digital voice recorder running, and then I'll have my audio and video camera running, and just see how much it plays into the session that we have. I mean, it all goes off at the same time, and you get a voice off the digital voice recorder to correlate with the flashlight that went off. Hey, that's some great data right there. So, but this is my take of the flashlight game. I really like the push button type. Like I said, it's more reliable, and it's just it can really tell how much of a spirit is intelligent. So, if you have more ideas about this flashlight game or want to talk more about it down in the comments, I'm happy to answer your questions. And if you want me to try a new technique, please leave it down in the questions as well. So with this video here, I bid you adieu, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, if you like this sort of content and you'd like to see more of it, like, share, and subscribe. Remember to tap that bell notification for more notifications.